Ever needed to hide someone's identity or add a cool, mysterious vibe to your video? Today, we're diving into blurring faces in CapCut PC, making it super easy and effective. First, launch CapCut PC and import the video you want to edit. Drag and drop it onto the timeline to get started. Next, click on the Effects tab at the top of the screen. This is where the magic happens. In the search bar, type blur. You'll see a range of blur effects appear. Let's pick the standard blur effect. Drag the blur effect directly onto your video clip on the timeline. Now you've applied a blur to the entire video, which isn't what we want. Select the video clip on the timeline with the blur. Then, in the settings panel on the right side of the screen, find and click on Object Tracking. Use the Track Object tool to draw a box tightly around the face you want to blur. Make sure the box follows the contours of the face as closely as possible. Click the Start Tracking button. CapCut will now automatically follow the face throughout the video, making sure the blur stays locked on. Once tracking is complete, you can adjust the blur amount using the slider in the settings panel until you achieve your desired look. Experiment with different blur styles. You can also try duplicating the video clip, adding a mask around the face, and then blurring the underlying layer for more control. Get creative and find what works best for your project. And that's it. You've successfully blurred a face in CapCut PC. Now you can protect identities, add creative effects, and level up your video editing skills. Don't forget to subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks.